What's going on, guys? Derek from Legendary here, and on this video I want to invite you, if you're in DropFunnels, from your dashboard to hover over this news and updates. So they have an affiliate program and they're actually running an affiliate contest. So let's dive into that real quick. But if you're new to the channel, go ahead and subscribe and smash that bell so you don't miss any future videos. And with that being said, let's check out this affiliate program for DropFunnels. So you can see here, this is where you would click to go to join it. They have kind of two different plans. There's the starter plan, they have an agency plan, and the partner program. So the partner program, if you're actually interested in joining that, it's $297 a month, and they will actually help you build your whole online presence in that partner program. So you get a team of designers to actually build you an authority site and help you get all your products set up and launched. So super powerful to get going real fast right out of the gates. And you also get some cool perks like your commission levels go up for referrals and stuff like that. If you just want to start building on your own and dipping your toes in the water, they do have the starter plan. And if you're on the starter plan and also an affiliate, your commissions will go up to 30% as well. So check out those different plans. If you haven't signed up yet, kind of make the decision based on what you think is the best fit for you. And also just think about the opportunity to become an affiliate, even if you aren't on DropFunnels yet. So right now, they're running a little contest. So obviously you can get up to 30% recurring commissions. There's no limits to the amount you can earn. And they have payouts every month, stuff like that. And what's really cool is sometimes they'll run some contests. So that's why I'm doing this content over these next 2 weeks, is because I want to win an affiliate contest. And you can see this contest here. It's running from November 15th through the 30th. And there's a point-based system. So that's basically what I'm doing here, is knocking out some content, doing some social posts, and hoping to win first place to get this remarkable 2 for my daughter, because she is a budding artist. She's 9 years old in 4th grade, and she likes to draw. She likes to sketch. She does characters. She does have an iPad, and she uses an app called Ibis Paint. So I don't know if your kid's into drawing, but that app is pretty cool. She can do some awesome stuff on there. But I also wanted to get this for her. I think that'd be a cool little gift coming up on the holidays. So, I mean, all this other stuff's awesome too. That's what I really want to go for, though. So that's why I'm going hard. You have to battle me if you want to get it. But yeah, you guys can still jump in. This is only day 2. So there's plenty of prizes and points to go around. So if you go on Facebook, you can search DropFunnels affiliates and probably find a link to the Facebook group. But yeah, apply to be an affiliate. Tell them kind of what your plan is. If you have any plans for promotion, if you have a YouTube channel. If not, I recommend starting one. I think it's cool to have just content living out there on YouTube. And yeah, get started, dip your toes in. You can just post videos about you learning the software as you're, just getting started. Say, hey, my name is John Smith. I just started a free trial of DropFunnels. I'm going to do this video about me navigating the dashboard today, and just go through, check everything out, see what you see. And maybe the next day you say, okay, today I'm going to try to build my first sales funnel, and then the day after, okay, I got a sales funnel. Now I want an order bump in the middle between the first step, something like that. And just build your knowledge, get some content out there, and potentially win some cool prizes. There's a $100 gift card from Amazon. You get some cool books. Think and Grow Rich. That's one of my favorites. I've read it probably 4 or 5 times, and it's on YouTube as well. You can check out the audiobook. But yeah, super excited. Still super early, anybody's game. So if you want to jump in and join me, feel free to check that out. So I'll post some links below. I'm going to post a link to my DropFunnels starter course. You can get into the DropFunnels Facebook community from there and learn all about this affiliate contest and stuff like that. So with that being said, appreciate you guys. Have a great day. If you're new to the channel, make sure to subscribe and smash that bell so you don't miss any future videos. And I'll catch you on the next one. Stay legendary.